are doing fine. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw this beautiful Barbie doll. So the Barbie doll is usually be going. The Barbie doll is going to be going to the park since spring is almost gonna come. So she is gonna go to the park for a lovely day in the spring. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna make her head, and then I'm gonna start making her hair. The hair is gonna be beautiful. She's gonna wear a hat to look beautiful. And the hat is gonna have a bow to make it more cute and more beautiful. It looks so much cute and I really love it. So when we finish it, it's gonna look even more nicer. So the hairs are going to turn out really beautiful. He's gonna have one ponytail and the hairs are gonna be like this. Now this is not her eye, these are glasses. Because in these days, we have to wear glasses because after spring will come summer. She's so silly. She thinks then it's summer already. But since it's spring, I decided to draw her going to the park for a lovely day like this. Spring is almost gonna come. Not right now, it's here. But she just thinks I gotta go to the park in these days. It's gonna look so beautiful. So now I'm gonna make her body and her hands. Her dress is going to be with polka dots, and she is gonna have a frock, a half frock. Well, I know that whole frocks look really beautiful, but I didn't have too much space to draw a whole frock. If you want me to draw a whole frock, please comment below. Well, I don't like to make whole Barbies since in there we can find really small heads, so you cannot even see how the eyes, the nose, and how it's made it. But I still really like how the Barbies come, and the Barbies are so beautiful and cute. So now it's coloring time, and now I'm gonna start coloring my Barbie. I also made it a purse. So she's taking her purse to the park. It's got some juice and some chips and yummy food, so she can get some out whenever she wants. And she's also kept it some money in case if she needs some to buy some cotton candy, ice cream, or popcorn. I don't know why she wants popcorn. She can pack anything she wants, her spray, and she also needs some soap in case whenever she's eating, she needs to use a soap to wash her hands, or in the park might be somewhere that you can wash your hands. Yes. Well, the Barbie can just have fun being beautiful, like I am making her beautiful, so she can be beautiful like me. So now I'm gonna color her black glasses, this corner black, and then I'm gonna color pink on the sheet, on the glass. Well, the light pink is working a little bit, but I'm gonna use dark pink to make it much beautiful. I'm gonna color the lips, and then I'm gonna color the hat. the hat's bow, then I'm gonna color the whole hat with peach color. I'm coloring peach color in the hat so it looks beautiful. It's looking so beautiful right now. Well, inside the hat, I'm going to shade a little bit with a little bit dark orange and a little bit of peach to make it really nice. The peach is mixed with a little bit of light orange to make it a perfect peach for hats or skins. I'm going to also use the pink color for the bow and for the tie. And I'm going to color the dot in red. Dot of the middle of the bow is going to be red. Then I'm going to start coloring in these things, and I'm going to also color this polka dot. Some of the polka dots are going to be covered, but it's okay. It's good to cover the polka dots that are really tiny, because tiny polka dots don't look really good on dresses. Big polka dots that look like stars are perfect for dresses. You need to use them to make your dress look beautiful. It looks so beautiful. The black and the white dots look so beautiful. With the Barbie, it looks so nice. So in these days, she really likes to go to the park, and she has also invited her kids so they can play on the swing and other things. And it's looking so beautiful right now. I'm gonna color purple color, and I'm gonna also color the bow. The middle is gonna be purple, and it's gonna be light pink a little bit. Looking so nice. I'm gonna also color it with some marker so you can see the bow that is made it. It looks so nice. Now I'm gonna start coloring the frock to make it much beautiful. After the frock, I'm gonna color the bag, and then I'm gonna color her skin, and then she's done. Well, you think it might look hard to make this doll, but when you start playing my video, you will know that it's really easy to make this doll. Since you never know, there might be a secret in the drawing or in a really amazing picture. They might be easy, but do you think it's hard? If you try, maybe it's easy. You never know whenever you try. It looks so beautiful. And now it's almost done. Just gotta color the bag and her skin, and then she's gonna be a beauty. I really love making closed eyes, but I really love making glasses because she's going to park. It's gonna be really sunny there, so she needs some juice and a hat and some sunglasses keep her eyes safe from the sun whenever she's looking at the sun. Well, nobody can look at the sun, even with sunglasses and ice cream. So I'm almost done coloring the bag. I need to color the hole right over there. And now I'm going to start coloring her skin. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get a marker and a paper and a crayon and start making your drawings with me. Bye bye. Subscribe.